Okay, Jay, in this video I'm going to show you the classified section of your website and how it works. This is a really nice feature. It's a classifieds software. It's a third-party app that I've installed on your website. I've used it on other sites before. It's very good and easy to use. And basically it allows you to run a classified section on your website. People can place ads, they can browse ads, they can reply to ads. Think of it kind of like Craigslist where you can post items for sale. I've set up these categories here to test everything out. I think you actually placed an ad in the cars for sale section. So if we go here, cars for sale, we'll take a look at that ad that you placed. This is an ad. You see the price is 40,000. It's got 21 views. That means 21 people have, or 21 times this post has, this ad has been viewed. If we click on it, we'll see the full ad. So let's click on it, and this is the ad right here. And if we click on the picture, we'll see a larger picture of the car that's up for sale, and we can actually reply to it. So for example, if we click on contact boss, this is you that posted the ad, we can actually reply to it. I can put my name, email, I can put a message to the seller and send him a message. So it's a real nice feature, and if you get people to use this, it'll mean a lot of traffic to your website. If you notice here, it even has an area for AdSense code, so you can actually place advertising banners like Google AdSense or whatever, affiliate banner code into the footer area of your classified section. So it's a real nice way to sell some advertising space. This is yet another area of your website that you could sell advertising space on. So let me now show you how to edit the classified section of your website. You want to be logged into your dashboard. You go to classifieds, and you can click on, for example, you can click on listings and look at all of the listings that are posted to your classifieds. You can look at all the listings of ads people have posted. So here we go. You can see this here. These are the ads currently posted. We already looked at this one. Now, if we go here to settings, if we click on settings, you can actually edit some of the options of the classified section. For example, you can change the name, FlippedWhips-Classifieds. Right now, that's the name of the classified section. You can change it. These are pretty self-explanatory. I've set these up to be, to work properly. If you adjust any of these, just be careful what you're adjusting. Payment settings. If you click on payment settings, you can actually put in your details on how much you want to charge for ads. If you want to just do free ads, for example, charge a listing fee. If we click yes, we will, instead of allowing people to post free ads, you can charge people to post ads. Here you want to put your PayPal email address. So whatever email you use to log into PayPal, put that in here, and that way when people want to post a classified and they're prompted to pay, it'll go through your PayPal. To checkout, you're not going to need to checkout. To checkout is another service like PayPal. If you already have PayPal, you don't need this. So just select PayPal, and I know you already do. You can do reoccurring payments if you want to charge every month for someone to place an ad, or just a one-time fee. You can select or deselect this option here. Right now I have it deactivated because it's we're not charging for people to post. But of course that's up to you. If the site picks up and you want to charge people even a few bucks to post an ad on FlippedWhips, simply click here, put in your PayPal email address, and you can set up people to have to pay to add their listing. Now if you go here to general settings, you'll see that I've already set everything up properly. You really don't want to adjust any of these items here at all, but you may want to go here and you may want to edit the text that's displayed in your classified section and put in your own terms of service. If you don't want to display a terms of service, just uncheck that. But it's up to you. I'll leave that up to you to decide. Other than this bottom area, don't adjust any of the other settings at all. AdSense settings, you notice that on your classifieds, if we go here to look at an ad, you have an area where you can put affiliate code, AdSense code. So basically that's managed through AdSense settings. You activate AdSense settings, and what you'll notice is that here you have an area where if you actually cut and paste the code that Google gives you for your AdSense, your ads will be displayed here. Now I have it activated right now. You can deactivate it until you get that set up and get set up with Google AdSense. Now if we deactivate it and click save, that area will disappear. But I just left it on to show you that this is yet another area that you can sell advertising space. Now it doesn't necessarily have to be Google AdSense. You can cut and paste your own banner code. You can display whatever you want in there. It's just by default it says AdSense, but you can see that we've removed it by simply clicking unchecking this. So now it's gone. But like I was saying, it doesn't necessarily have to be AdSense. You can put any kind of banner code here. So I just want you to know that. So this is really an area that's open to you. Let's go ahead and activate it again. So this is another area that's open to you to sell advertising space on. So if we hit refresh, you'll see that it's now activated again. There you go. So basically, if we put here any banner ad and we click save and let's refresh, you can see that we can put anything in there. So here you go. So now you know how to put your advertising banners into your classifieds. If we go here to email text settings, you can edit the emails that are sent out to people when they register or add a classified to your classified section. This is the email that actually gets sent out to someone when they add their listing. So you can edit this. I'll leave this up to you to edit. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It tells you, what do you want the subject heading to be to the email that gets sent out after payment? What do you want the email to say when someone adds an ad to your classified section? So you can go ahead and set all this up yourself. It's really very easy. And then you have registration settings. And keep in mind, I'm only going over this with you to show you the options available. I've already set everything up optimally to what it should be. Now, require user registration. This is required if you want people to register on your site before adding their ad to your listings. I have it not checked by default. I found that that's easier because you're going to get their information, all their contact details when they post an ad anyways, and all of that is saved. So why require them to register and fill out a form twice? This Classifieds app requires people to fill out a form with their email and contact information to even submit an ad. So why have them do it twice? That's why I have it unchecked. And really everything else is already set up. If you go to Classifieds, Pages, Setup, you can see all of the options that you can edit. So pretty much everything is already set up for you. For example, if you click on Add Listing Settings, I've already set it up. expire free ads after how many days? 0 is for no expiration. If you want them to expire after 60 days, you can put 60 days. We'll go ahead and leave it 0 again for now. Maximum ad length, 750 characters. You can change that. I've already set all this up for you. So pretty much you can see that this is all ready to go. People can already start posting ads to your they can start posting ads to your classified section already. Like I said, make sure to sign up for AdSense, or if you want to put different kind of banner here, simply cut and paste any banner code into this area, and you can also put advertising on your classified section. Now that we've gone over the settings, let's go over the categories. If you click on categories, you'll see that you can actually set up different categories. You can actually set up different categories. You can see here that I've already set some up for you. However, if you want to add your own categories, you can add your own categories. But like I said, I've already set some categories up for you. So if we go here to classifieds and hit refresh, you'll see that these are already set up. And adding a category is simple. You simply go here, put in the name of the category, how you want it in the order that you want it here. Is it a subcategory of any one of these, or is it its own category? And then click add new category. That's it. If you want to delete a category, simply click one of these delete icons and you can delete a category. Or you can select multiple categories and click delete. So you can see that it's very easy to manage the categories that I've already set up here for you, simply by going to categories and then managing the categories here. As far as fees, click on fees, and let me go over that with you. Here you can add what you want to charge for every type of listing. So for example, a 30-day listing, you can charge $10. It'll be for 30 days. You can allow 6 images for each ad, or you can only put 2. Basically, how many pictures can someone add to each ad? And you can create new listing options, new fee options. So you'll have one for maybe a 30-day, maybe another option for a 60-day, maybe another one for a 90. And the fee structure you set up here will be available to choose from. If you're charging for people to be able to place their ads, they'll be able to choose from the various fee structures. Either they want to do a 30-day for $10, a 60-day for $15, or 90-day for $25, whatever you want to set up. Very easy again to set up. You can just set up different payment options here. That way when people are prompted to select the type of listing that they want to add, and if you're charging for listings, they can select from the options you set up here. Very easy to set up. So that's pretty much it. We went over the categories, how to set up categories for your classifieds. We also went over the settings, which again, the only settings I would adjust is what you want displayed on the terms and service. Leave everything else the way it is. And also the fees we just went over now. And if you ever want to look at all of the listings that have accumulated over time, or that people are adding, just click on all listings and you can view, or listings, and you can view all the listings people have added. So that's pretty much it. This concludes the video to managing your classified section on your website.